How do I activate a Straight Talk phone with my existing phone number?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of activating a Straight Talk phone with your existing phone number. Transferring your number doesn't need to be a hassle, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.
Why would you want to keep your existing number?
Keeping your existing phone number can be of great benefit. 1. Continuity. No need to inform your contacts about a new number. 2. Convenience. Avoid the hassle of updating account information linked to your phone number. 3. Personal preference. Many of us grow attached to our numbers or find them easy to remember.
Pre-activation checklist.
Before we dive into the activation process, let's ensure you have everything you need. 1. The Straight Talk phone. Make sure it's charged and ready. 2. Your existing phone number. Have it handy. You'll need it during the activation process. 3. The last 4 digits of your social security number, required for verification purposes. 4. Your current phone's account information. This includes details of your current service provider and account number.
Activation process.
Follow these steps to seamlessly activate your Straight Talk phone. 1. Visit Straight Talk's activation page. This can be found on their official website. 2. Choose Activate. You will be given an option to activate a new phone or switch your current number. Choose the option to transfer your existing number. 3. Enter your phone's details. This would include the IMEI or MEID number. This can usually be found on the box your phone came in, or in the settings of your phone. 4. Enter your personal details. As mentioned in the pre-activation checklist, be ready to provide the last 4 digits of your SSN and your current phone's account information. 5. Follow the on-screen prompts. The website will guide you through the rest of the activation process. It might require a few more details or confirmations. 6. Restart your phone. Once you've completed the online steps, turn off your phone, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This will help the changes to take effect.
Post-activation tips.
1. Test the service. Make a few calls, send some texts, and use data to ensure everything is working fine. 2. Update your voicemail. If you've transferred your number, you might need to set up your voicemail again on the new device. 3. Contact support if needed. If you face any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Straight Talk customer service. There you have it. A step-by-step guide to activating your Straight Talk phone with your existing number. We hope this video has made the process clear and straightforward for you. Remember, the key is preparation. Have all your details ready, and the activation process will be a breeze. Happy talking!